In this video I'm going to be sharing with you all about shooting slow motion with the Panasonic Lumix GH5. Stay tuned. Hi, it's great to see you, or at least imagine I can see you. On this channel I produce short films, mini documentaries and tech reviews. If it's your first time here today, I'd like to ask you to consider subscribing, and if you're interested in any of the equipment that I'm using in this video, there's links in the description below. Let's get on with the video. To record slow motion on the GH5 you have to choose the right record quality. You go into the settings menu and the second option down on the menu, choose record quality. Click to go into record quality and choose full HD at 30 frames a second if you're in the US standard. And then what you want to do is go into the next menu up, the M1 here with the camera, and then choose variable frame rate. Inside of variable frame rate you want to click onto that and then go down to set. In set you want to then go all the way across until you get to 180. And now you have your variable frame rate setting set for 180 frames per second. You can only do this when you're in 1080p. Now you want to come back out on the menu, make sure it's set to on, and now you're ready. You can see instantly that the picture is already darker, so now I'm going to need to adjust my ISO settings by pressing the F2 button to be able to make it bright enough. So I've had to pump up my ISO quite a lot to make that shot viable. And now what I'm going to do quickly is record me pouring food colouring into the beaker, and then ooh, look at that. Now pour that into the glass. So now we've gone through the menu showing you how to set up your GH5 for doing 180 frames per second slow motion using the beaker and the coloured water. I'm going to show you some shots I captured at the park the other day. When you're recording in slow motion, of course, you can't record audio at the same time, which, even if you were recording audio, it would be very... Have you done any slow motion, and if so, which camera have you used to do slow motion? If you're shooting on the GH5 doing slow motion and you have any other tips for me or other users, please also put comments in the box below. And if you think I could have done anything better in this video, or that I did some good in this video, please also put your comments in the box below. Until next time, this is Barnabas Lawson saying have a great day.